Hello and welcome to this version of Markets with Megan. Today we're coming to talk about some of the news that's been out this week surrounding the SEC filing lawsuits against two major cryptocurrency trading platforms. And we just kind of want to unpack that and what's going on and what we see going forward. We think this is the biggest move yet that the SEC has made to try and regulate or put some sort of rules and regulations around the cryptocurrency market. What they found and what the lawsuit states is that those two platforms have been acting almost like a broker-dealer. They've been commingling funds, they've been acting as a clearinghouse, and they've been selling tokens on their exchanges, but not listing them as securities. And when you buy a security, it is outlined with risks for investors, and this was not the case for different tokens that were listed on the exchanges. So the SEC's coming in, they're putting the hammer down on these exchange platforms. This is probably only the beginning, in our opinion. Keep in mind, there's over 22,000 cryptocurrencies out there right now. And this is the beginning of them trying to put some rules and regulations around this. What happens when rules and regulations get introduced is you typically see less returns and you'll see consolidation. In this case, what we'll also see is from the crypto world, it's typically used for illegal transactions as well. So this is now taken another source off of the table for some of these illegal criminal activities. So this is not a good news for the cryptocurrency world. We have not invested in cryptocurrency. The headlines are going to read that there's more fraud in this space, and we see that. This is one of the reasons why we have not invested. For many reasons, we don't like them, but we have often said in many white papers that the biggest risk is regulation, and we're finally seeing that. So again, we do not know exactly how this will all transpire, but we do think that you'll see more of this, and you'll see a lot more consolidation in the cryptocurrency world. Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated as any materials unfold. And if you have any comments, questions, feedback, podcast ideas, please reach out to podcast@verdence.com. Thank you.